week 4, and should have a schedule or something. Very young company. I was a professor to tell me about your favorite beer, about the beer as well, what you think about it. Second thing, you can read the comments, Korean.
그다음에 두 번째는 여러분들이 이제 홈브루잉 한 거를 양조장 사장님분들이나 그런 분들 모셔가지고 심판을.
If you try and make a recipe right now, for example, maybe we choose an IPA, they will be tasting it until you like it. Then make a new beer. Get your friends, okay, and I will just send it so you can look at it. This is one of the originals. A very nice, different kinds of equipment there.
아니 저희가 부산에서는 완전
When they're introducing themselves, I like there's so many different things out there. If you have a question, please ask. Just very normal tasting beer. A barrel, by the way, a barrel is a barrel after barrel after. Here in Korea right now, there are 100. Columbus went to America, the Native Americans, and all these famous names, over 120, 56 breweries started right out. Budweiser everywhere just because they went. This recipe says. These are your choices. Okay? So now, and that's how strong your beer is going to be. In that period that you're doing at 30 and 20 minutes, range can be any ways of time to you'll come back and it's filled. So that when you bottom and then it fills it, probably use racking is when we move the beer in the process of eating the sugar at 20 degrees. The temperature is it's getting rid of some that top off, he says. Okay? So you have to follow that schedule according to balance the maltiness and trying to get all of the sugar that's a bit lower. Just with a 2-liter container is fine, and see how much grain point because it's going to lower down. If you're at minus those 3 liters, soak it, okay, scrub it down, and we're going to give you some. I want you and your team to do as much as possible, okay? But also learn at the same time. Beer for the first time, sometimes they go a little hop crazy, but still.
No. See? Keep it.
Sediment and your beer is going to be really hazy. It doesn't add.
이게 바주카라고 하거든요. 네, 바주카인데 이게 필터의 역할을 하는 거예요.
So top over it, or just keep going like this. Yeah, just keep stirring. We just go okay. Right on top. On the side.
You recirculate. When you recirculate, you don't want to just.
그러면 that's for no what you guys do.
You wanna try?
You guys will see the.
It's a very sensitive system, and it's not going to stay fresh. That beer, maybe that beer doesn't get served again for 30 minutes and less beer, so that you can get another. And it's easy to make a mistake. It's really difficult to open. The best beer as you meant to enjoy it. Clear, and then change the. It'll be nice and cold, and then you can fill it home. And remember, that's great because you can just wait or put it in your hands until they make better beer, different beers. You easily steal them and play them and enjoy them, but the clarity in the head as an IPA. So the judge, the big ones are the flavor, make sure it's clear.
안 되고요, 약초 안 돼요. So barley, unit measure, homebrewing 배이니까.
Some off aromas in a couple of them at all. Without further ado, the winner of the first beginner homebrew competition for BeerSchool Seoul is team number 5.
Yeah!
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
It's funny versus. Lots of beer for you to drink. This beer.
We made it.
Winner.
Oh, don't shake.
Video.
잘했어요. 수고하셨습니다. 파티에서 봐요. 본인님은 아쉽지만. 들어가세요. 수고하셨습니다. 네.